Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be looking at the levels, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the chart of Bitcoin, and we were talking about this thing in the past few videos, that the price is basically trading in a range, and now again the price has already reached to the resistance level. So this is the resistance level, which is at 20,000 level, and you can see the price is just trading at this level. And now since the price has already reached there, so we might able to see a fall till the support level. So the support level is at 19,000 level. So for a Bitcoin, for a currency like Bitcoin, the 1,000 point range is very small, but there is no other momentum which is we can see in this chart. So that's the reason we are keeping it very small range, tight range, and every time it's happening from past few days. You can just look at this area, and the price is just hovering around at in between the 19 and 20,000 levels. So now again the price is hovering around at 20,000. We might able to see that the price will fall further to the 19,000 level. So this is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is also telling us the same story, but what looks interesting here is that the price was actually trading at the support level. So this is the support area of 1215, and for this particular cryptocurrency I am taking the resistance at 1510. So now since the price is already started moving up, we might able to see that the price is we may able to see a level of 1510. So this level, because this is the resistance level, and the price might able to reach up to this particular level. So this is what the price is basically trading in a range, and it's in the between of the two levels. So we might able to see that the price may reach to the 1510 level. This is for the Ethereum. And mostly if you look at the overall momentum, so again expectation of getting a fall in almost both the currencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, is very higher. Why? Because the overall trend is downtrend, and if you look at the global economies, and if you look at the global situation which is happening with the stock markets, with some other markets as well, so that is not so good, right? So that is the reason if something bad happens to the equity market, we will see the sell-off in the cryptocurrencies as well. So that is something the price is just holding it up, and once the scenario will be clear, we might able to see more upside momentum in these cryptocurrencies. So yes, this is for the short term range. This is for the, you can consider the daily range for these two cryptocurrencies. So if you are liking this content, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell icon. I'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching me.